Hello, lovely people. Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Elanoni. Yeah, happy weekend. It's already weekend. Today is Friday. Once it's Friday, weekend has started. Like, I love these feelings of thank God it's Friday. And yeah, today, this video is going to be a market vlog. So today I'll be going to the market. I'll be buying a whole lot of things. So stick to the end. I'm going to give you guys updates of price of things in the market and many more updates you might need to know. So watch till the end. And if today is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, set the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a video. Okay, also give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to drop a comment and share. So guys, keep watching and I will be right back. This one at 300. Do two sides for me. Do two sides for me. I don't get that time, Sha. Why if you get to Kazi? That big, let me see.
You prepare the house.
No. Let me finish. After some days, you go say you come back. Don't try to say you want right now. So we want to buy a basket of tomatoes. Yeah, and we actually wanted to get tomato juice, but it wasn't available, so we had to go for this. This is called gboko. Gboko tomato is actually sweet, but it's just that it has lots of water. So here we are sharing it. We're actually four of us that will be using the tomato, so we had to share it. This basket we bought it for 12,000, which is very okay, because if you're buying it per rubber it's going to be more expensive. And so that is it. We had to share it into four, and it was way big. Like, it was plenty. It should be like more than three rubbers. And yeah, that is it.
A few moments later.
So I'm home. Yeah, it was really a very busy day. I bought a lot of things. As you can see here, my vegetables, curry, oziza, oha. Here is my plantain. I bought my pepper. I bought periwinkle. I bought snail. I bought sachet tin tomato that I'm going to be adding for my stew. And here is my goat meat. Here is my water leaf for my afan soup. I'll also make oha soup, and here is the tomatoes. So I'm going to also steam the tomato a little bit before making it. Here is my soup things, my lime. I also make black soup, organic and black soup. And yeah, that is it. I was able to get everything I needed, and also I got shoes for my son. So these are the shoes I got for my son. This and this one also. And then here is their apron. They'll be using both at home and in school when they're eating. Yeah, and that is it. I'm glad I really achieved a lot today. So from tomorrow, I'll start doing other things.
The next day.
So I boiled my tomatoes, and I just sieved out the water. I'm going to leave it for some time for the water to dry off, and then I'll blend it. I didn't need to wait for the water to dry while it's cooking. As soon as it boiled and plenty of water came out, I had to save it. Kerosene is expensive now, gas is expensive, so I don't need to keep it for a long time. And yeah, that is it. The tomato is looking smaller now because I've steamed it. That plenty tomato is now looking small. So blending it is going to be easy, and then I will make my stew.
A few moments later.
And so my stew is ready. Yeah, steaming the tomato first was actually best, and that is it. And so here I just packaged my stew. I'm going to be putting them in the freezer. Yeah, and I'll be taking them one by one whenever I want. So here I'm already cooking my soup. So I'm going to be making oha and afan soup. And yeah, that is it.
A few inches later.
Yeah, so here is my afan soup. My soup is ready. And at the same time, I also made oha soup. Isn't the soups looking yummy? And yeah, that is it for today. So once the soup gets cold, I'm going to package it just the way I packaged my stew and also put them in the freezer. Yeah, so that is it. My soups are ready. Here is the afan soup and the oha soup. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, also share, feel free to drop a comment and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.